When General Motors wanted to introduce another luxury automobile to its portfolio, it developed the LaSalle within the Cadillac division. From 1927 to 1940, the LaSalle was the second most prestigious car at General Motors. In the later years of its production, the design and appearance of the LaSalle even more mirrored that of the Cadillac until GM discontinued it in 1940. Hi, I'm Don Laviano at Black Horse Garage in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and I'm very excited to go back in time with you and show you this 1939 LaSalle. This LaSalle has been beautifully restored and maintained with documentation over its 83-year life. It has a body built by Fisher and is finished in Oxblood Maroon. The wheels have matching color accents and fantastic white wall tires. Up front, the LaSalle looks very sleek with its bullet-like hood ornament and the narrow grille opening. And of course, on the side, the running boards clearly date this as an antique from the 1930s. This LaSalle is powered by a Cadillac-based 322 cubic inch L-head V8 engine. When new, the car was factory rated at approximately 125 horsepower and driven from the rear wheels. On the inside, you can feel the 1930s luxury. The rib tan upholstery on the seats, door panels, and headliner are all in a classy tan. The car also comes with a Cadillac heater and defroster, cigarette lighter, and AM radio. This LaSalle starts, runs, and drives wonderfully. The 3-on-the-tree manual transmission is a fun throwback to yesteryear, and the car is sure to attract onlookers when you drive by. Here's a final piece of fun trivia for you regarding the LaSalle. A car very similar to this one was seen outside the home of Indiana Jones in the movie Raiders of the Lost Ark. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Black Horse Garage YouTube channel to see more cars that we've worked on, reviewed, and driven. If you would like to see this 1939 LaSalle in person, please call or text 203-947-5293 or send an email to sales@blackhorsegarage.com.